Okay, so Taran has joined. Taran, welcome. Taran Shah. Is Taran Shah is Nirav Shah? Is it Nirav? Okay, fantastic, Nirav. I would like to see you. So switch on your camera. Okay.
Pallavi is from the first batch, this thing,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Pallavi is from your batch only.
Yeah, yeah. And the other lady who was actually your classmate?
Jyoti.
Jyoti, yeah, right, right.
So how is it going? What about the market? Is it responding?
Yeah, market is responding. Actually, I went to Vasanta Villas. I've gone to River Edge,
Okay.
and I've also been to my home.
Mm-hmm.
So my home has got an in-house people, like, but most of the apartment owners they wanted to go by their own.
Yeah.
So actually, I was also I thought of coming to you and talking because what happens is because we are new into this, though we cannot actually pick up one image from the other interior guy and then drop in as that we did, right?
Mm.
So I thought I would come to you and then let's see how we can together do it, kind of.
Yeah, sure, come over. So once you just give me idea that how you want to throw your proposal, we'll work on some nice process and then go for it. Maza
Yeah,
आएगा.
yeah. Actually, there are three-bedroom guys. More of three-bedroom guys. I actually got around 10 to 12 calls.
Hmm.
But most of them are into software, so they browse all those things, right? ये इंटीरियर को देखो उनका स्टार मेकिंग देखो ये वो so that's one why I really wanted to come and meet you because once I meet you and then drop in because my brother has an flat in that my home avatar.
Yeah,
So
okay.
the wife has a lady group and the husband has got his group. So whatever we send them, they'll be sending it in the group. So the group would be those any concerned guy would be calling me for the particular work.
Nice. Okay. Okay, Nirav, I would like to talk to you. Welcome. Nirav, you're there. I can't see you, can't hear you. Nirav? Nirav, you're there? Is there any audio issue? It got dropped. Okay, Pallavi. Pallavi, you're there? Pallavi, you're there? Pallavi? Shall I take the key? Yeah, you take. Okay, so Priya has joined. Welcome, Priya. You can unmute yourself. You're there?
Good. Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, Priya.
Yes.
Okay, Priya. So tell me about yourself. We'll start this session soon. We just want a couple of people just got dropped. Okay, here Neerav is back.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll start with Priya. Yeah, Priya.
Yeah, so actually myself is Priya Vasak. Okay, so I'm from Jalpaiguri district but stay in Calcutta. Actually last year I just passed out civil engineering and interior advanced diploma. I don't have any much experience in site project, but I finished 2-3 project myself, and right now I'm just doing a freelancing 2D 3D drawing as well as, and I have upcoming 1 or 2 side projects. That's all.
Okay, so 2D and 3D, what software are you using?
Yeah, I'm just using AutoCAD, okay, and SketchUp V-Ray.
Fantastic. And you have taken any formal education in interiors? You said diploma you have done already, right?
Yeah, advanced diploma.
Is it one year diploma or something?
2 years.
2 years diploma.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Great. And how is it going? So are you able to generate more leads and kind of close people, close the customer?
Actually,
Or how is it?
last 6 years I'm just practicing marketing. Okay, so now I can do marketing for interior and any others business. But issues is that I can't convert lead into sale.
Okay. So then you are
Yeah.
going to love tomorrow's video and maybe the day after's video. So I'm just going to tell you how you can convert. Okay.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Yes, Nirav. Nirav, you are there? Okay, Sai Ramana. Sai? Okay, Nirav, since you have just switched on your, how are you, man?
Sir, fine. How are you?
Great, good to see you.
Thank you.
So did you watch today's video? Sai,
Uh,
I'll just finish this video and come back to you. Yeah, Nirav,
yes, sir.
did you watch today's video?
Yes.
Okay, so any questions, any confusion?
Mm, about the texture.
Okay, so I think Bhushan also has asked the same question. He said that can we use texture in patterns? I'm just waiting for him to be online, then I
Okay.
can give. So what exactly in the texture you want to know?
Texture can be used in focal means to create the focal point of the room.
Okay,
That's I want to ask.
so texture is actually one of the element in interiors. Okay, but it can create the focal point also. So it is kind of considered as a principle of emphasis. Now, if you would have understood the emphasis, it is like whenever there is a plain interiors in one of the wall that you kind of highlight, right? So the focus is kind of given onto that wall. That
Okay.
is where it is called as, it is considered as a principle followed of a emphasis, right?
Okay.
But texture itself is one of the element in interiors.
Okay.
Now, where you can use texture is very important. Now, there are, if you understand the pattern, so people get confused between the pattern and the texture. So
Okay.
some people say that, okay, if some colors, if some raw colors are put and then there is, some horizontal vertical lines are made. So that is actually not a texture, but it is a pattern because you are doing a repetition of a particular lines and vertical and horizontal lines or maybe cross lines and all.
Correct.
So texture is something which is kind of emphasizes the place and not kind of the elements which are used.
Okay. Okay. And sir, currently I'm working in a construction company, so I'm looking after all the work, means finishing work. So I
Okay.
do not having an experience of interior, but I'm currently doing my diploma in interior.
Okay.
means a part time, and but currently I'm getting one project. I'm having one project. I'm getting for 4 BHK, but
Okay.
I'm do not having any guts to go
No
and
worries, do
crack
it.
the deal.
Just go ahead and do it. And you can just personally one-to-one message me. I'll help you out in terms of doing it. So start doing it and you'll learn it. I'll give you complete support.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Harshita, Tepeswami. Harshita,
Harshada
okay.
is the one who I spoke to you about, sir.
Yes, Sanjay. What is it?
Yeah. Harshada is the one.
Okay, okay. Welcome,
Hello.
Harshita. Sanjay did speak to me about
Hello,
it.
sir. This is Arshada. Yeah, so I'm a student basically, and in future I want to do interior designing professionally. So right now I'm into marketing and all.
Fantastic.
Looking forward for interior designing.
Great. So I am also
Yeah.
student. I am also student. I also learn every day.
Nice to know you.
Great. So did you watch today's video?
No, sir, I just joined the link right now. I didn't
Okay,
see the video.
fine. So okay, I'll send you the today's video, or maybe Sanjay can forward.
Yeah,
Sure,
teacher
sure.
actually she is doing a final year degree,
Okay.
but helping her parents already being an BNI Oscar member. She was an Oscar member for some time,
1 year.
1 year, and then she's really hardworking and very creative.
Very nice. Good to hear that.
Thank you so much.
Great. Welcome. So okay, since you have not watched video, probably tomorrow we'll understand some questions from you. Okay, Swami, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Swami, did you watch today's video? What are
Yes, sir.
your-
Yes, sir. Actually, presently I'm working on same professional. I'm an interior designer, and I'm doing projects in Bangalore as well, Ballari. It's in Karnataka.
Okay.
It's a very whatever your video is somewhat useful for me. It's very nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Just watch video every day and come
Okay.
up with questions that you can, so that
Okay.
get maximum out of me every day. So watch video and come up with something. And whatever.
Sir, I have one doubt.
What?
Yeah, you have sent that concept of this interiors, right?
Yeah.
So in that, we are using that. Which software is better? You suggest. Presently, I'm using 3ds Max with V-Ray.
Okay.
Any other option for that? So it's a better.
In the 3ds Max, I think SketchUp is better because it is little lighter.
Okay.
It can give you good rendering in SketchUp also. Okay.
No, sir. Why? Because I'm selecting this one is AutoCAD. Directly, we can import the file from AutoCAD.
Yes.
So it's it's easy to what is it called? Easy to develop. That is the main reason I am using 3ds Max, but it will take some time for that.
Yes, but in
In-
SketchUp you can import. SketchUp
Okay.
also. 3D Max has some more advanced features that SketchUp doesn't have. Okay.
Yep.
But SketchUp is comparatively a lighter software and a faster software than a 3D
And
Max.
fine.
3D Max is
What about this thing? This thing, sir. You have any about that NeoFear for it's an online?
We are using that. We are using that, and it's a good platform. So I would suggest that.
Okay. Yeah. Actually, 1 month I was used before Corona issue, but presently I am. It's comparatively their cost is they send it at price list or repeated one. Due to that, I'm thinking it's that okay or not okay. Just I'm in confusion in that.
Pricing is a secondary thing. So you need to understand that any software that you are buying, right, or maybe you are subscribing, and if you can just pull out that cost by doing the projects, then no software is expensive or cheaper, right?
Yeah, okay.
You need to have your process in place. You need to have your lead generation process in place, your execution process in place, and then when you do the project, I mean, any software that you take, whether you take 3D Max, Neo, or this one, SketchUp, it is all fine. But you need to understand that what is your ROI, whatever the investment in the software that you are doing, you should be able to get it back. And how quickly you are getting it back, that is very important.
Yeah, that is true, sir. Yeah, market is very low.
It is like it is just interior. There's a myth in the market around the interior designers and the people that it is only about the designing. No, it is not only about the designing. Interior designer is a complete package wherein interior designer can design, can sell, and he can even market also himself. Okay,
Okay.
it's
Mm-hmm.
what all about. So
Uh,
you can market yourself well, you can sell yourself well, and you can design yourself well. I mean, there is no nothing can stop you.
Anyway, thank you very much, sir.
I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you step by step what you have to do. You
Yeah,
just
because I came from Bangalore in Ballari doing before I started interior, but I didn't get any leads from this interior only. That's what I'm started with civil also. Both presently I'm doing with both interior and including civil works.
okay.
So that is a major issue. It's a separate. There is no interior. They won't prefer in this area. They won't like that to prefer. They comparingly they use that interior with the civil. They're looking for.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Who is next? Who wants?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Swami. Galaxy A70 has just joined. Can I know your name? You are on mute.
Bhushan, sir, Bhushan.
Sorry?
Bhushan.
Bhushan. Bhushan. Okay. Okay. Bhushan Sonawane.
कसे आहात sir?
Yes. Yes. Okay. Bhushan, welcome. Okay. So Bhushan, you asked a couple of questions, right? You said that can we use texture in pattern?
Yeah, yeah.
Can you just elaborate that question one more time?
सर आई थिंक मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था क्लियरली करना था कि जो हम लोग स्ट्रक्चर यूज कर रहे हैं तो स्ट्रक्चर हम लोग पैटर्न में भी यूज कर सकते हैं और पैटर्न या स्ट्रक्चर में भी यूज कर सकते हैं
एक्चुअली पैटर्न अलग चीज है और टेक्सचर अलग चीज है. पैटर्न क्या होता है? पैटर्न मतलब रिपीटेशन ऑफ एनी एलिमेंट. जैसे लाइंस है, लाइंस को आप रिपीट करो पैटर्न बन जाएगा.
ओके
लेट्स से सपोज एक स्टैंपिंग का भी पैटर्न होता है. एशियन पेंट्स में है. ओके, सो दे हैव अ टूल. उस टूल से आप अगर उसको पैटर्न कोई भी चीज को रिपीट करते हो, इट बिकम्स अ पैटर्न. बट टेक्सचर इज समथिंग वेयरइन यू नो इवन लैमिनेट हैज अ टेक्सचर. Your skin has a texture. Okay, even the cement has a texture. Even tile has a texture. So texture is a different than a pattern.
Okay.
People actually थोड़ा सा उसमें confusion है लोगों को कि whether it is a texture or it is a pattern. People say that it is a texture paint, but it is actually some paint which is made with a pattern.
There is a lots of various types of structures and patterns in available. Like wallpaper also use like in wallpaper we are also using structures.
So wallpaper is basically a pattern. So you have a one motif which is repeated. You have a motif, right? Or see, flower motif होता है, फिर square होता है, round होता है, any size, any shapes or a form, right? वो उसको repeat करते हैं. And that is how the entire wallpaper is made. It is a repetition of a pattern.
Okay.
So that is how it is. But the texture is a different thing.
Okay, sir. What is the B2B and B2C?
I'm just coming to that. Okay, you asked that what is B2B and what is B2C.
Okay.
I'm muted. Okay. So any other people apart from Sanjay? I think Sanjay knows it. But anyone knows what is B2B, what is B2C?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So I'll just tell you. Bhushan, B2B is a business to business. Okay. Now, as a designer,
Business to client.
yes, business to consumer or a business to client. Basically, it is business to consumer, the person who is consuming it directly. And a business to business, when you are serving to other business, who is other
Connection error.
Just be on mute for some time. Okay, thank you. Okay, so when you are serving other business, who is further serving to the consumers. For example, I'll just give you. Now, let's say suppose if you have a shop and you are selling.
Network issue, sir, आपका.
Sorry.
Network issue है सर आपका voice cut करके आ रहा है.
I think is anyone else facing that?
It's very clear here.
Yeah, it's clear for me also.
Yeah, I think Bhushan, just check at your end, man. Just check at your end. I think here everything is good. I am on 5G here, 5 gigahertz. I mean, not 5G, but it looks good. Okay. So I'll tell you. Let's say, suppose if you have a shop and you are selling tiles, you are selling tiles, but you are buying that tiles from Somani or Kajari or any other company. So that company is doing B2B business with you, business to business, because you are also a business. But when I come to your shop to buy tile, I am a consumer. Then you're there. I think you are fluctuating, Bhushan. Bhushan, did you hear that? Did you hear that? Did you hear that? You're on mute. You're dropped. I think Bombay it's raining. Is it, Nira? It's still raining? You're on mute, Nira.
Not, no.
Okay, luckily it has stopped, right?
Yes.
And it just gave me, it reminded me 2006.
Correct.
I got stuck in the on the road in bus, so we had to climb onto the bus and save ourselves. So much of water. Anyways, let Bhushan come back and then I can just explain. So any other question, guys? Let Bhushan come back and then Bhushan.
Hi, sir. Sorry, network connection नहीं था.
Yeah, I understand. That's okay. Happens sometimes. Okay. So I was saying that when you're dealing with any other businesses, that is B2B, but when you're dealing with a direct consumer who consumes your product or a service is a B2C. In interiors, I'll give you example. When you're doing someone's residence, right? When you're doing someone's residence, that is B2C because that is consumer directly is using your service.
Correct.
But B2B, like let's say suppose Javed Habib is a chain of salon, and Javed Habib franchisee comes and says that Bhushan, can you do my salon, right? So then you are serving B2B,
Okay.
right? It is not B2C, it is B2B because Bhushan as a business, as a owner of his firm, okay, doing work for another business. So that is why it is B2B. And when it is direct, some consumers like now someone who is the even owner of a shop or something, it is to some extent it is considered as a B2B because that final product is being used for business.
Correct.
Okay.
It is not direct consumed, it is made. Even if you make office for someone, it is B2B because it is made to deliver business from there.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so that is the basic difference. And you need to be very clear about B2B and B2C when you become interior designer or if you are already interior designer and gets into the market, you need to understand what are you good at, whether you want to do B2B or you want to do B2C.
Okay.
For both your marketing strategy will be different, for both your sales strategy will be different. For your both content will be different. Now, if you don't understand content and strategies, I'll just tell you. When you target B2B, okay, you need to understand what is their pain point.
Okay.
First of all, B2B will not give you so much of time to design and execute. They want something which is very quick because they want to get onto the business because they cannot afford to waste the time.
Correct.
But when it comes to the residents, it is their dream house. So they are like, okay, you take couple of days more, couple of weeks more, but deliver me something which is fantastic for a life.
Okay.
So here their pain point is different. They'll have a lot of residents. Basically, most of the time I have seen people have a lot of fluctuating mind because they are not able to make up their mind thinking that, okay, this is good for me. They think today, they think that this is good for me. Tomorrow they'll think, no, that is good for me or that is good for me. So you need to understand and control their mind, understand the requirement and give them with the confidence that, this is what as per you, I feel is perfect. That doesn't mean that we are superimposing our ideas, but understanding their ideas and simplifying it. But B2B is pretty very straightforward. So I have two firms. Okay, one is Design Crew, which is into B2B. So I am a specialized in healthcare. I do diagnostic centers, I do health, multi-speciality hospitals, polyclinic, dentals, and all those stuff, right? And that is my micro niche. Even in B2B, I'm not doing everything left and right. I am a specialized in healthcare, so I do just that. And diagnostic center is a very micro niche wherein you need to be knowing all the AERB norms, that what is the size of MRI should be, what is the CT, mammo, OPG, you know, all those stuff, ultrasound. Then you have a BMD, TMT, ECG, EEG, ENMG, you know, all those things, how the samples is corrected and all those things. Then if you have a consultant room and all that. So it's a very micro niche. So I'm expert in that. But along with that, I have another firm called Latitude Pro, for which I have a lot of videos on YouTube also, wherein I'm targeting B2C customer. But my processes are completely different. My B2C business is almost 80% automated. Almost 80% is automated. I just do sales in B2C, not anything else. I don't sit and design, because now I have come way too ahead of sitting and designing it.
Yeah.
So my team designs it, and I just review those designs. And on the 5th day, I'm just going to open my entire process of B2C. If you guys like it, you can just straight away copy it and start doing it with your customers.
Sure.
The K5 I'm going to give you guys. And this entire process is I have built for years. Okay. I passed out from LS Raja School of Architecture in 2003.
Okay.
And it is 2020. So it is 17 years I've been working. 4.5 years I worked with Bobby Mukherjee, who is an architect in Mumbai. Now his office is in Santa Cruz.
Yeah.
Earlier his office was in Bandra, Kalanagar. So I worked with only one architect throughout, and then I started my own firm.
Okay.
So I have worked out that completely, and I'm going to give you guys on the 5th day. If you understand that everything, you can just copy it and start doing it. It is that simple and very powerful. I'll give you entire my process of B2C.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that is what B2C is, a consumer, and B2B is business.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Correct, Harshada? Okay. Any more questions? Questions, guys. Please. I love questions, and please keep shooting. So we have Riva. Okay, Riva. Someone has just joined. Riva. Okay, any more questions from you? Pallavi, Priya, Poonam, Swami, Sanjay.
Like your interiors are blue color zebra blinds. It's going so much with the background.
Okay, thank you. So yeah, I mean that is kind of, you know, adding some colors to my background.
Yeah.
I especially love black is my favorite. I
Yeah.
like color. That's why my table, you can see my table is black.
Shirt.
Inside cabinet,
Watch.
top is black. But then you know,
Yeah.
you need to have some color which add on to the interior space.
Great.
And I especially love zebra blind because you know,
It
sometimes
covers
you
up
want,
the opacity, and also it's transparent for some time.
yes, if you want little bit of light to come in, you can just open
Yeah.
it. Comes in.
Good.
Great, Harshada. So you have a good knowledge.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Tushar, Arshada is my favorite little angel. Very hardworking, very good, helps her parents.
So
I created the website today itself.
Any interior designer and architects got to be hardworking by default.
Yeah.
Because
Basically, any person.
हमारे अंदर एक perfectionist का कीड़ा होता है.
सही है.
Correct.
Right? And so we are always by default hardworking, and to certain extent you'll see the interior designers and architects are very honest. They'll not care for anyone. They'll just speak the truth, and they'll say this is good, this is bad, that's it. They'll not.
Yeah.
That is why they are bad salesmen. Why interior designers and architects are bad salesmen? Because they speak truth. They cannot just go ahead and say pally and say sir ho jayega and this and that. That is why bad salesman.
Right.
You're not giving a fake commitment, sir.
Sorry?
Do not give a fake commitment. Like yeah,
Yeah, not fake commitment. Yes, but you know what? Let's our community, right? Now you guys are in my community, so I was like that. Okay, I was not a good sales guy, but now today I'm freaking so good salesman that I just go and close like this. I have a fantastic negotiation skills, and that I developed only because I broke because of this, because I was not a salesman. I was never used to feel good about asking money, and I used to feel bad about it. And then I said, if I just feel bad about it, no one is going to give me money. I need to learn how to ask money. That's it, as simple as that. I
Correct.
learned that, and today I give so much of value to the customers, and then I say, okay, and now I need money. That is called as ninja marketing, guys, which is like I'll just give you example, okay? Let's say suppose if there is a fair, okay, and you go into the fair, and there's a big stall written which says, okay, come inside and eat as many ice creams you want, as many ice creams you want. Now you tell me how many ice creams one person will eat. Maximum 250 grams. More than that,
Yes.
can they eat? They cannot, because the entire mouth will freeze and all that. Now you go inside, and even if you eat 250 grams, someone will eat 100 grams, someone will eat 50 grams, someone will just taste and come out, but they'll see who is eating, okay? And when they are going out, on the door, they must have put the board. If you think that our ice creams are tasty and if you have enjoyed, leave the money, whatever you feel is good before going out.
Okay.
You understand me? Now that puts you into the shame, right? So it's like, man, the ice cream was fantastic. I almost ate 250 grams. Now let me drop some money. So they call you inside by saying that it is free, and they are still not asking money. They are saying if you don't want to pay, it's okay. But they say that if you feel that our ice cream is tasty and if you enjoyed it, drop whatever money that you feel is good. Some people will drop 100 rupees, some will drop 500, someone will drop 50 rupees, someone will not drop. But that's okay. But what they are doing, man, by that just one board, they are generating leads. Otherwise, Nirav and Bhushan and Priya and Tushar, Pallavi, Sanjay, Poonam, Harshita, Swami, we all would have not gone inside. Because we see that board saying that come and eat as many ice creams you want free. That is called as lead generation, and it is a ninja marketing. That's what I do. Just to give you guys an idea. I give immense, I call the customer free of cost and give immense value. And then I say, if you feel that I'm a perfect guy to do your interiors, let's talk on the quote. And they say, fine, let me know how much will this cost. And I give them a quote, and they close it.
So, sir, do you take turnkey projects or individual projects? Like,
Sorry?
do you take turnkey projects or just the individual?
Turnkey.
I didn't get
it. So residentials, all we do turnkey. We don't take consultancy.
Okay.
Because for a simple reason, if someone who is buying a flat worth 70 lakhs to 1 crore, they'll have a project interior value. I mean, their budget for interiors will be somewhere around 10 lakhs to 12 lakhs to 15 lakhs.
Yeah.
Like going and telling them 150 rupees per square feet, as per 2000 square feet flat, 3 lakhs rupees is what I'm asking as a designing. And they'll go complete insane, and they'll say, boss, I have 12 lakhs rupees to spend on my interiors. 3 lakhs if I give you, what I'll do, man?
True.
Common man in shock, sir. That time.
So that is where, Bhushan, I said, B2C or B2B. You need to be very, very clear that what market you are tapping on. Okay, this is what I talked about, the middle class market, okay, which is like spending 10 lakhs 12 lakhs rupees, upper middle class, okay, in the interiors. But if you talk about the villa, if you talk about the independent houses and all that, which is like they are okay to spend around 1 CR, 2 CR, 3 CR, then there you can just go ahead and ask to be as a consultant and take, consultancy from there. There you even charge 150, 200 rupees per square feet. They'll give you.
Okay.
They'll give you because their budget is big. And that is where being consultant is more fun than being the entire turnkey.
Turnkey. Okay.
Because so much of work, so much of rework and all that, and you don't want to do that one project in whole of your work in a year, because you'll end up just visiting that site multiple times and all that. And even if you're doing 2 crores project, okay, and if you
Yeah.
think that, okay, I'm taking turnkey and there's a 20% margin and you make 40 lakhs rupees out of that, in entire year you are making 40 lakhs, but look at your expenses. Forget about the expenses. In that whole year, only that one customer knows you. You are not building on your visibility.
Correct.
So after 1 year, you are just taking one testimony from the customers. So you need to sell your testimony to multiple customers. If you have testimonials, you get what you get?
Customer.
You get leads, you get conversion. So you need to work on your testimonials. The more of testimonials, what do you do when you buy something from Amazon? You see something, okay, and then what do you do? Okay, how many stars? What people have written? What do? You also look at the testimonials and buy the product.
Reviews. Yes.
Yeah. So for 50 rupees to 500 or 5,000 rupees also you are seeing the testimonial. Don't you think someone who is spending 15 lakh rupees will not take your look for your testimonials?
Correct.
Obviously.
That's a great point. Yeah.
So as an initial interior designers who are just coming into the market, don't look for the bigger project, guys. Absolutely, that is not required. Even if you do one project, which is 1 bedroom, it is okay, but that should get you testimonial. That should get you testimonials. That is your real earning. Work for 1 year, 2 years, something, and collect a lot of testimonials. Make something called as a fact file. I call it as a fact file. It is a fact file which customers, the prospect, not customer, but the prospect who is coming to you cannot deny. And let's say, suppose if I have a testimonial from Bhushan, Nirav, Priya, Pallavi, Harshada, Poonam, Swami, and Sanjay, and all saying that, okay, Tushar is a fantastic designer and he has done my house, which is very nice, and we are very happy. Okay, the next person who is coming will say, man, this guy is amazing. Okay, let me do it from him. You know what? When we hand over the project, we cut the cake, we celebrate. And the cake also has a photo of our logo and all that. We cut the logo. I'll just try and show if I have the photo handy. But that is how the processes we have. So customer feels so good because otherwise people are saying, sir, ho gaya, chabi lo, thank you so much. No, we don't do that. We celebrate it. We celebrate it. Next question, guys. I'll just search for that photo if I'm finding it because.
Tushar, I have a question here.
Yeah, please.
See, actually, there are A and B in that. See, while we design a pergola, right? Pergola. Yeah. When it is on the top floor, there's one point.
Sorry, come again. I couldn't hear you.
A pergola on the top floor.
Okay.
That is one point. And the pergola near a villa, like, if at all they have got a huge space in front or, beside the villa. The first point is, when I go in for a pergola on the top floor, do we need to go in for the waterproofing? Because we need to get the green thing done, green grass and all that kind of stuff done. If at all they are not asking for that, are we going in for the artificial grass with more of natural plantation? And this wicker furniture, which is any time proof tiles.
So, okay. So as an architect, if you ask me, I would never suggest that you go for a planters as in the complete natural grass on the terrace.
Right.
For 2 reasons. Okay. Even if you do the fantastic 1-inch waterproofing, even if you do waterproofing vata and all that, and then put, all clay and all that, and then put grass. The grass will grow, everything will work fine. Even there'll be no leakage and everything. But you need to understand is the slab already designed to take that much of load of a clay? That is number one. If you get a confirmation from a structural engineer that, okay, this, now you need to understand if you are going for a 4-inch of clay thickness, what is the size of entire area? Convert that into cubic feet and then find out that what is the load.
Right.
Okay, because the clay will always contain 40 to 50% of water because there is going to be the grass.
Right.
So you need to understand what is the weight. Once structural engineer says that, okay, Sanjay, this is fantastic, it can take the load, then you can go ahead, then you can do it.
Right.
But if you don't have a possibility of doing that, then yes, you can go for the artificial grass. And a lot of people actually, what they do is, when they are putting artificial grass, they are just straight away putting onto the tile, which is not correct.
Right. Right.
You need to have a PVC mat at the below the grass, which has a holes, right?
Right. Right.
So what happens? It actually gets washed because there is so much of dust deposition happens into the grass, and it is ultimately giving birth to the fungi and bacteria and all that.
Right.
So that is the technical way of doing it, but because people want to save the cost, they just put it on that. And then yes, then put a lot of planters and pots and all this is absolutely good. There is no issues.
Because what I saw, I have a sample of tile which is wicker, which is made up of polymer wood and all that stuff, which has got holes, the plastic holes and kind of things.
Yes.
So if I say I use a PVC sheet below that and then put in the artificial grass and follow up with the tiles wherever we need to design, and then follow it up with a grill where we have pebbles kind of things, and then follow it up with a regular plantation.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
But yes, whenever you are you want to put natural grass on the top, you just need to think that the slab can take a load. But initially nothing will happen. But later on, the entire structure is carrying that weight, and then eventually one day the cracks will happen and somewhere leakage will happen. So
right.
Better to avoid that.
Okay. Because there's one CA at Gachibowli who wants his 700 square yards house, the terrace, to be designed.
Okay.
And then actually I have given him a design of an artificial grass and follow it up with little bit of 3D mural kind of waterfalls.
Okay.
On the second floor, which we have finished. I think I sent you the photograph also once, long back. I'll send you also. But now this is the top floor, which we need to design.
Okay.
So you'll be following it up in the last week of August. Then I need to go in there.
Okay. Great. All the best.
Yeah. Thanks a lot.
Okay. Any more questions, guys? Ask, please. I love to answer.
मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम हम लोग ग्रास के बदले में हम लोग जो लैंड्स पे जो हम लोग ग्रास यूज करते हैं जो आर्टिफिशियल नहीं अपना जो रियल ग्रास होता है जो आर्टिफिशियल नहीं होता है, तो हम लोग वो ग्रास को इस स्ट्रक्चरल इंजीनियर सपोज हम लोग कोई फ्लैट के लिए कर रहे हैं, so that time we not going for structural engineer. तो हर टाइम हम लोग स्ट्रक्चरल बिल्डर के पास जाके स्ट्रक्चरल इंजीनियर को नहीं आप पूछ सकते. तो that time what can we do? Suppose कस्टमर क्लाइंट को सब सपोज चाहिए कि नहीं, मेरे को आर्टिफिशियल ग्रास नहीं चाहिए, मुझे रियल ग्रास चाहिए, बिकॉज किसी को उसके ऊपर वॉक करने में अच्छा लगता है, कोई बूढ़ा आदमी रहता है जो नीचे नहीं उतर पाता है, दैट उसका भी रिक्वायरमेंट रहता है, तो दैट टाइम क्या करने का. तो मेरे पास ऐसा एक सिचुएशन आया था.
तो वो सिचुएशन में क्या किया आपने?
मैंने सजेस्ट उन लोगों को आर्टिफिशियली किया, बोला सर बेस्ट है कि आर्टिफिशियली लगाओ.
गुड. यू नो व्हाट, अगर
मैं रिस्क नहीं लेना चाहता था दैट टाइम, मैं खुद पे रिस्क नहीं लेना चाहता कि किधर आके मेरे पे रिस्क आ जाए.
Yes, absolutely. That is the point. You yourself said, okay, something which you are not confident about, something जो आपको ऐसा लगता है कि इसमें कुछ गड़बड़ होने के चांसेस है, तो उसमें मत डालो हाथ. प्रोजेक्ट्स बहुत दुनिया भर के आएंगे. एक समझो, you never know, because the load ऐसी चीज है कि उसके वजह से स्ट्रक्चर में कुछ भी हो सकता है, and you don't know as a structural engineer. I am an architect, but still I don't suggest that. Okay, structural engineers हमारे सबसे बड़े दुश्मन हैं, आर्किटेक्ट्स।
दे उन लोग टाइम ही नहीं देते हम लोग को।
हम लोग कुछ डिजाइन करते एंड दे स्क्रू अप सेइंग कि नहीं नहीं ये नहीं हो सकता है, वो नहीं हो सकता है। इंटीरियर तो छोड़ दो, आर्किटेक्चर में तो वी फाइट अ लॉट। ओके, तो ये चीज होता है, बट टू सर्टेन एक्सटेंट दे आर आल्सो करेक्ट दैट यू नीड टू वर्क इन सिंक विद दैट। और अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि यहाँ पे कोई एडिशनल वेट हम डाल रहे हैं या ऐसा कुछ डाल रहे हैं, तो make sure that you get a certification from a structural guy. अगर समझो कि वो structural guy जिसने डिजाइन किया है वो नहीं है अवेलेबल, कोई थर्ड पार्टी को लेके आओ, उससे सर्टिफाई कराओ, उससे सर्टिफाई कराओ कि भाई मैं यहाँ डाल रहा हूँ 3 इंच का पूरा मैं मड डालूंगा, उसका कितना क्यूबिक फीट हो रहा है, कितना वेट हो रहा है, मेरे को सर्टिफाई करके सर्टिफिकेट दो। कल को कुछ हुआ तो तुम्हारे गले में, मेरे गले में नहीं। और क्लाइंट को बोलो वो करने के लिए कि सर एक आप काम कर दो, ये सर्टिफिकेशन करा दो, ये रहा स्ट्रक्चरल इंजीनियर का नंबर, आपको चाहिए तो मैं भी बुला लेता हूँ, साथ में मीटिंग कर लेंगे, पर ये प्रोसेस से चलेंगे सर। बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट। यू नो हु इज द पावरफुल पर्सन इन द वर्ल्ड?
ऑनेस्ट पर्सन।
यस, क्योंकि फिर डर नहीं है ना कुछ भी। अगर हमने एक, मेरे पास में काम नहीं है और एक समझो टेरेस आ गया और वो बोल रहा है कि नहीं मेरे को नेचुरल ग्रास ही चाहिए, वो भी चाहिए, तो हम बोले नेचुरल ग्रास छोड़ो सर, मैं आपको पूरा जंगल बना के दे देता हूँ, आप कैसे भी करके ये प्रोजेक्ट मेरे को दे दो।
बट दैट टाइम मैंने उनको एक मतलब एक और एक सजेशन दिया कि आपको नेचुरल चाहिए तो आप पुट करिए कि कुछ लाइक सम कुंडीज रहता है, लाइक हैंगिंग कुंडीज रहता है, यू फील लाइक नेचुरल। सो उनको वो एक आइडिया मेरा अच्छा लगा था, उन्होंने किया। मैं आपको मेरा फोटोज भी शेयर करता हूँ उधर का।
You know what, this is the problem in the China and the Japanese, they both are kind of working on this. They are working on something called as low density soil.
Okay.
मतलब अगर आप 3 इंच का सॉइल का बेडिंग करते हो, मड का बेडिंग करते हो, उसका वेट रेगुलर मड के जितना नहीं होगा, बट न्यूट्रिशन सारे उसमें वही होंगे, so that you know your grass and all those things can come. That is going to come soon, it is going to come, and it is more of a gel base जो क्या करेगा अंदर से, बच्चों के डायपर होते हैं ना, जेल बेस होते हैं, तो वो क्या करते हैं, वो जब बच्चा उसमें when they pee or something तो वो उसमें पकड़ लेता है, it forms a gel, right? तो जेल बेस होगा पूरा, जिसके ऊपर आप लगा दो, but it is gel is you know to certain extent it is toxic. उसकी वजह से grasses are dying, so that research is going on and soon it is going to come, wherein आपके living room में you will have a grass, you know, natural grass. आप balcony में 2 इंच का bedding डाल दो, उसके ऊपर grass डाल दो and enjoy. Because ultimately we are growing so fast. हर जगह पे हम सीमेंट के रास्ते, टार के रास्ते, पेविंग्स ये सब कर रहे हैं, तो आज से 20-25 साल 50 साल के बाद में बच्चों को सिर्फ ग्रास की फोटो दिखानी पड़ेगी। जब बच्चा बड़ा होगा ना तो विल हैव टू शो हिम, ये तो 50 साल पहले ऐसी कुछ चीजें उगती थी जिसको ग्रास बोलते हैं।
Yeah.
Correct.
You know?
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, please, Rashida.
Embossed wallpaper or Asian paint textures, which would you suggest, which would be more recommended according to the price and all, from our point of view also and from the client's POV also?
No, you said Asian paint, texture paint.
Textures. No, once I went with my dad to a site, so we showed him embossed wallpaper, but the client was more interested towards Asian paint ka texture jo aata hai na, the textured Asian paints, he wanted that. So that deal was on hang only. So that's, I was asking ki which would be more recommendable and which would look more good.
Okay. See, I don't know if you have एक कहावत है,
हाँ.
दिल आया गधे पे तो परी, दिल आया गधी पे तो परी क्या चीज है? Did you hear that?
हाँ.
So it is never about, you know, either texture paint or a wallpaper.
Okay.
Why customer is liking that we need to understand. Here little bit of psychology of a customer is which is very important. I mean, how I deal with the customer.
Okay.
Sometimes customer likes something which is weirdest. weirdest thing that they like and they want
Correct.
to put it on a wall. Now you are scared because if you allow to put that, your project is screwed.
Yeah.
बोलेगा, "किसने किया है? हर्षिता ने." What kind of designer she is? They will not say कि अच्छा आपने लगवाया. You understanding? So that is
Yeah,
why
yeah.
we are scared कि हमारा project customer उंगली करके खराब कर देगा.
Correct.
So what you have to do is you need to give them a strong point of view why this is not good. Individually that can be perfect. Individually that wallpaper or a texture paint will be, you know, marvelous or phenomenal, but it will not go at a place where you want to suggest that. So you need to come up with a point wise argument, or probably not argument, but you'll have to convince the customer
Suggestion.
saying that,
Okay.
you know, this is a fantastic, first of all acknowledge, okay, this is how I actually negotiate with the client. So he when he picks up something which is pathetic, and I say, wow, this is like amazing piece of it. I mean, you know, it's a fantastic choice. But don't you think that this will not look good here? Now that will get into it.
Oh.
Ego satisfy kar diya. You
Huh.
have picked up something which is fantastic. But then I am only asking in question, don't you think that this will not look good here? Then I say, okay. Then you tell me what will look good here. Sir, my experience is this is like fantastic. You know what? And I'm sure you will also like it. What I'm saying, this
Yeah.
is fantastic, and I'm sure you will also like it. Now he will say, no, I'm not liking. They will not say. So how you're presenting is very important. Now when you will say, नहीं, ये ले लो sir, वो अच्छा नहीं है, ये अच्छा है. Then his ego will come in front and say, no, अभी यही अच्छा है, चाहे मेरा घर गंदा. So you need to satisfy their ego, customers' ego to be satisfied, and then prove your point. That's it. Just two statements. Satisfy ego, prove your point. Just go ahead and say, this is fantastic. But don't you think this will look good? I believe this will look good, and you will also agree to it. First, put this statement and see how he's reacting. Is it? And anyways, when he has hired you as a designer, he'll always think that you have an eye over, you have that edge over him. And you always have that vision, better vision than him. So start building that confidence in your customer, and he'll never pick up something and say, "Ye lagao."
Okay, then. Thank you.
Okay, so we have someone. Afrin has joined. Afrin, Riva, are you there? You are there for quite some time. You can just go ahead and ask if you have any questions.
Hello, sir. I'm Kavita. Mistakenly, it is tagged as Riva.
Okay, no problem. Kavita, welcome.
Hi, sir. I basically completed my structural engineering.
Okay.
Then I have got opportunity in interior designing as a designer.
Wow.
I have 1 year experience.
That's it. Okay.
Okay. Is it a good choice to choose interior designing as a career?
So why that question? First of all, I want to understand. Do you doubt on yourself?
No, I'm not doubting on myself because I don't have a background of interior designing. So, is it a drawback for me?
So here my question is, Kavita. We all are born like a plain slate.
Okay.
Okay. And then we write whatever we slowly learn.
Yes.
Now, if you want to become interior designer, that means you have an interest towards it.
Yes.
But you got into the software stuff because of some reason, right?
Yes.
Maybe your friends went, or maybe your parents wanted you to go, or something, whatever. I don't know, right? Or maybe you had interest at that point of time. Later on, you figured out that this is too boring, and I need to kind of get into something which is nice and glamorous like interiors. Interiors, trust me, it is like a glamorous world.
Yes.
If you can really hit that there, I mean, when I go to the site and my contractors and client and everyone treats me as if the celebrity has come on site. I mean, I feel just fantastic, and I just love that. So, if you want to become interior designer, you became software engineer, right?
Yes, sir.
You became, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then why can't you become interior designer? if you decide to become anything, you will definitely become that. But if you don't decide to become anything, you will never be able to do it. So don't get that thing into your mind that, you know, will it be good? Can I be or something? No, just say that, you know, I am someone who became a software engineer, which is a difficult in interior designing because you need to learn coding, this, that, or, you know, interior designing is more of a, it is not, I would say not like a coding and all that, but it is more of a intuitions, more of an intuition. So if your intuitions are very strong, and if you feel that, you know, if I select even red and black together, it is going to look fantastic, and your intuition says that what is the ratio of it, that is where, you know, the real interior designer comes out. So it is no more technical, or it is no more something like that. It is more developing your intuitions when you are learning and going ahead. Be very confident about your intuition. Never be in the doubt whenever, ever. I never be in the doubt. I tell my customer with so much of confidence, sir, use this. This is going to look fantastic. Finished. Because I know I have a confidence, and when I put that with a confidence, it looks good. Touch wood, till now, no site has been screwed up. No site has been screwed up till now. Everyone has loved my site. That only happens when you go with the confidence. So don't have a fear. And when you have a fear, you know, Kavita?
Yes, sir.
When you don't have a clarity, you have a fear. But when you get a clarity, you have a power.
Yes, sir.
Try to get a clarity on anything that you don't know. Now, you guys are here. That is only because some of the things you don't know and you want to learn, right?
Yes.
Once you learn that, you get a clarity, you become powerful. And the doubt goes out. And that with that power, your confidence goes high and you can do it. Technical skill and picking up, you know, tools and all that is a very simple thing. If you sit continuously for 1 week on one software, you can just learn quickly like this.
Yes, sir.
Whatever work you are doing, take a break for a 1 week and sit on the AutoCAD, SketchUp, V-Ray or whatever. Keep learning, practice. And you start on Monday, and next Monday you'll be like firing that software. Because it's just a tool like driving car. So you drive continuously for a week, you'll become a fantastic driver. But if you just watch the video and say, okay, this is how the car to be driven, and you don't get onto the road, nothing will happen. So that is very important. So you do that. And you know what Bruce Lee said? Bruce Lee said once that I don't want to practice 1,000 moves. Okay, I don't want to practice 1,000 moves, but I just want to practice one move 1,000 times.
Yes.
And he becomes so powerful in one move that someone comes in front of him, and he's just using that one move, and just the opposite fellow is just trying 1,000 moves, and by the time he's trying, this fellow is finishing him off. So if it is the interior, and if your intuition is very high and you can do it, no one in the world can screw up, right? Everyone has that pure heart of doing things which is perfect. Knowingly or unknowingly, no one wants to do something bad ever. Did you hear anyone who says that, you know, today I'm going for exam, but I want to screw up my exam and I want to fail? Even the weakest of the weakest students wants to try hard and, you know, do it well. So no one by heart wants to do something bad. So don't think that, you know, you cannot do, or is it my good option for me or something. Ask yourself. Take a day or two. Ask yourself that yes, you have that power. Till now you have whatever you have done. Look for what is the achievement you have there. If you find that one achievement, just look and concentrate on that achievement and understand and feel proud about that achievement. Once you feel proud about that achievement, you can just go ahead and keep on taking achievements. So never ever think that it is I can do it, or you can do it. 100% you can do it. And you can ask me 100 times wherever you are getting stuck. I am there. I mean, you have joined the Facebook group. Keep on asking questions. I'll be answering it whenever. Sometime I'm busy and all that. But definitely, whenever I'm getting time, I'll definitely reply and give you the answers. Okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
From my side.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for asking that. Yes, Mr. Rahman, welcome. Thank you so much for posting those photos. You know, for the first, you are the first one to post, and you did the assignment. Great.
Thank you very much. Actually, I was held up with the power failures.
No issues.
I had some problem with the network.
Yeah.
That's why I have come late. I don't know what had happened for past 1 hour.
Okay. So 1 hour, I'll just tell you what happened. So everyone has, I mean, you just heard about the conversation between me and Kavita. So Kavita was asking something, and then everyone is asking some or other doubt. So one is definitely about the videos, what everyone has watched in the morning related to that. Apart from that, if you have any doubt, fear, or anything that you want to understand as far as the interior is concerned, so I'm just trying to give the best out of me, of whatever 17 years of experience I have. So that is what happened.
I was surprised with this that sudden shift in a year. How came, like, how were you be able to do that?
Okay.
In your video,
Yeah.
first, I mean, I have seen that shift, I mean, 2019, again, you are back. And and again, a boom with the projects and the money. Okay.
I'll show you guys.
I was surprised.
Now, since you have asked, I'll just show you guys one picture. Okay. Generally, I don't show it to people. But when I was in so much of debt and this thing, I was in terrible condition, Raman, and that happens with anyone, right? Because you have so much of stress. You have so much of stress, right? And then, but then everyone feels that you need to probably get into a job or something, and now this is over. Whatever entrepreneur life that you had to see, you have seen. Now there is no more life as an entrepreneur you can live. I also went through that phase, but then my wife was a strong pillar with me, and she said, "No, you know what? It happens. It happens. There must be some mistakes which you must have done. Okay, so now you need to work on it, and once you work on it, figure it out that what mistakes you did, don't repeat it. Learn." And I made a mistake that I stopped learning, and the day I started learning, I came back. It is as simple as it. I'm just going to show one photo with my first mentor, who is the Rajiv Talreja, who is my business mentor. So I'm just going to show the photo, guys. Just, can you see the picture?
Yeah.
Yes.
This is me, and now you can see me on the screen. I was so fat, and I was like completely changed because of the stress and all that. I was completely changed, right? But then I started learning. So I joined Rajiv Talreja, and I did his entire. It is called as MBA, Masters in Business, and then I'm a student of a lot of mentors. I've learned from Jack Canfield. I've learned from Tony Robbins. I've learned from Sam Owens. I've learned from Gary Vee. All those people, I've learned. And then I started implementing. So apart from interior and architecture, I kind of went on learning, Rahman. And that helped me came out. And within 18 months, I generated 3.58 CR.
Yeah.
And I generated 3.58 CR. And right now, we have 10 projects in pipeline, which is this month probably will close to 1.4 CR or something, just in 1 month after the lockdown. But why I am doing this? You know what? There's a very specific reason, and that reason is very close to my heart. Because the people who are here, some people wants to become interior designer, some people are already interior designers, and they are struggling. After so much of study in interiors and the back pains, and you are always like drawing and stuff and all that, what is the money that interior designer earn? You tell me. They get some respect from the POP wala or a carpenter or someone, but what is the money that they are earning? So I'm here on a mission wherein the entire community, the people who wants to become interior designer and for some reason they couldn't become interior designer, I want to live that life. I want them to live that life and start doing a business in interiors wherein they earn money, and we all grow together. That is why even out of my busy schedule, I take out my time and put into this. One of my very dear friend, he is here, Sanjay. He's into a lot of other stuff. He's into interiors and he's into supply of frames and textures and all that. but still, he has come and joined, and he knows how my time goes. I'm just going to show you something, guys. I'm just changing my camera, okay? Yeah, you can see this. This is how my whole month calendar. Can you see? This is my whole week calendar. The back to back I have schedules. Back to back I have schedules. But I always make sure that okay, no, I want to build a community and I want to give value to guys.
Thank you very much.
So that is fun, and what personally I love, I love to make friends, love to meet new people, and if I can make difference in one person's life also, I'm sorted, because someone made difference in my life. You understanding? I was into debt and loss. Someone made that difference in my life, and I could come back, like fire. And I am today. I am much confident. I am so better. And my sales has become so powerful. My funneling has become so powerful. We'll talk about this. Tomorrow is going to be little bit onto the marketing part of it. Just watch that videos tomorrow. And evening again we'll meet up. We'll talk about it. So my funneling and everything, and there are a lot of things which I'm doing, which probably I'll slowly tell, because otherwise it will be too much of me. I'm not here to talk about myself, but I want to hear you guys and kind of want to give answers.
Thank you. Even I am waiting for a shift. I am waiting for the same. I am waiting for the same shift and same year.
Fantastic. And I was just talking about the one. I would say it is a trait of a designer, that they are straightforward. They always speak something which is as it is. They'll never try to cover. And I just loved it yesterday when you said, there's an echo in that video, and can you correct it? So I need feedback. And that is where I can grow and I'll improve. I will never say, oh, this Rahman is, how can he is just pointing on my video. No, I said fantastic. If someone is saying, I need to absorb that, improve, that is where I'll grow. And that is what I have learned, because earlier I was like that. I am an architect. Who are you to tell me? No, then it will never work. It will never ever work. So that is what when I broke, I learned that. I learned that to take feedback, work on myself, and come as a better person. Thank you so much for that feedback. And the coming videos we are anyways working on it.
Yes, maybe the room's ecosystem we have to change.
No, actually the problem is I'll tell you, there is the condenser mic has lost its battery, and it's a different kind of a battery which I'm not finding. So I'm using the regular microphone, which is kind of not taking that voice. So maybe otherwise I'll have to use Apple headphone and shoot it. But yes, I mean that will be sorted.
Sure.
I'm anyways looking forward to buy Levitt 240, which is a beautiful mic, and I love I'm a good singer too. Okay. Earlier I had some videos on YouTube wherein I was singing and all that, but now I have removed it. Okay, because I'm kind of building my personal brand and all that. So I said no. Okay, fine. So I can even limit. I don't know if it is still there on my Facebook.
So it is your hobby or passion, sir?
It's my hobby. It's absolutely my hobby. And my passion is to help people. My passion is to, yes. I sometimes go out of my way. And, so that's what we did in the lockdown. Last time someone asked me that, are you facing some issues with the labors right now? And I said, no, I'm not facing the issues with the labors, because in the lockdown we took care of our labors. We helped them. So they are sticking around with us.
Correct.
If you would have not taken care of them, they would have gone, and by now, it would have been very difficult for us. So I understood that, it is time to take care of them. Okay, so guys, you shared some images, right? So quickly we'll understand. So you guys shared the images. So I want to talk on those images first. So first we'll start with Rahman only. Yeah, Rahman. So first image, second image, third image, and fourth image, 50 minutes. So 5 images you shared. Can you just
Hello.
give quickly explanation on what principles and element did you find there? Then we'll go to Nirav and then we'll go to Bhushan. Only 3 people have shared, but that's okay. And you guys are going to get this recording also, okay? So I'll put this link and it will be there forever. So whenever you guys want to watch this Q&A session, you can watch. Okay? Yeah.
No, actually, I wanted to decorate my bedroom, okay, for my children. So what I had done here is, I have picked up these stickers from Amazon. Okay, these two different posters, which I have combined to one, and I have the wall color which I had made is different contrast. So I thought this will suit, and two different posters I mixed together and made this decoration.
Okay. So how is the feedback from your family and friends?
Family, it's good. They feel nice.
They're liking it?
But still, the room is small and the bed, as we were talking about, yeah, the room is small. Okay. And the lighting, I have two lightings. And even the wall clock, which I have fixed there, is I want to match contrast color. Actually, the room is in different pink color, and you have purple color. But now, when the photo you see this pink into purple, that is the difference there.
Okay.
So I have used the same pink color which I have shown you in another photo, third photograph.
Yes.
Same color I have used here, but the wall in the front, both the sides, I have two different contrasting colors.
Nice.
When you enter, I have a different color.
The best thing is, you have tried.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is the best thing. Whether you never thought that whether I'll fail or whether it will look good, bad or nothing, but you tried. That is the best thing. Keep that passion alive and keep trying some or other thing.
Okay.
It's not necessary that everything will go well.
Yeah.
I mean, you are also probably of my age, and you also have seen a lot of things in the life. Every time that every day is not Sunday. Sometimes you get something which is working, sometimes something is not working. But what
this is the real color what you see in the background.
Yeah. Yes.
In the video.
Yes.
See, you have two different colors.
Yes. So you can start with your home. Little bit work on the lighting. Right now you have a kind of tube lights, right?
Yes, yes.
So just work on the lighting. Maybe get some table lamps, or maybe pedestal lamps or wall lamps or something, and try to work on the lighting. There's one video on the YouTube. Probably I'll just send it off to you of mine. Just watch that, and if you can do something in lighting, your house will look.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Nirav.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you shared 2 images. Is it your project?
No, actually, this is my sample flat of where I'm working.
Okay. Okay. Where are you working?
I'm working in construction company. It's in Mumbai only.
So what is the name of construction company?
Paraiso.
Huh?
Paraiso.
Paraiso. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So tell me, you have shared 2 images, right? So
one of the one image of cupboard. In that, I found out the balancing of the color or pattern.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes. Perfect.
And in second one, it's image of kitchen, and then I find the color balance means
it is absolutely symmetric design. So if you draw a line in the center, both sides there are same drawers, both sides same lift ups, that yellow open unit and all that. So it is absolutely symmetric design. And the first image is actually asymmetric. In that, what they have done is the elements are same, of the lines. They have used horizontal and vertical lines.
Correct.
But where on the left side it is a vertical line, on the right side whereas it is a horizontal line. Okay, and they have staggered the mirror. They have staggered the mirror. On the first door it is lower, and the second door it is higher.
Right.
And the mirror is kind of a forms. Okay, it is a shapes. So that is how it is. So lines is used, and actually that wardrobe is there. On that wardrobe, they've kind of made it crisscross pattern.
Correct.
Yeah. But yes, they've played with the lines.
Yes.
The height is also good. Yeah. Great. Okay. And Bhushan, you shared one image. What did you find in that?
सर आपने जो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो आपने स्क्वायर में जो बताया था, स्क्वायर और लाइन में जो कलर कॉम्बिनेशन रहता है, तो उसमें मैंने वो जो कलर कॉम्बिनेशन है उसमें दो कलर कॉम्बिनेशन ही रखा है, एक ब्राउन और एक वाइट में बस. तो इज इट गुड लुकिंग या नॉट? आई एम आस्किंग.
Is this your site?
Yes.
Is your client happy?
Yes, client happy.
Then God is happy. I am no one to comment that whether it is good or bad. If your client is happy and if you deliver what they want, you are sorted.
No, मेरे जो क्लाइंट्स है वो क्या बोल रहे थे कि उन लोग को एक पार्ट में व्हाइट पोर्शन चाहिए और एक पार्ट में ब्राउन पोर्शन चाहिए. तो आई सेड कि आप एक काम करिए कि मैं उसका कॉन्ट्रास्ट कर देता हूँ, एक अलग टाइप का पैटर्न बना देता हूँ उसके अंदर. सो मैंने कारपेंटर को वो आइडिया दिया कि तू उसमें अलग कलर का कुछ पैटर्न बना. तो सर आप ऊपर की साइड में देखोगे ना, जो उसको ऊपर का वार्डरोब है, तो मैंने खाली इसमें एक लाइन रखा है और पूरा व्हाइट रखा है उसको, मतलब ब्राउन कलर का व्हाइट शेड पट्टी रखा है और उसको पूरा व्हाइट में रखा है, बस. दैट्स इट.
Okay. So my suggestion here for you is, Bhushan, look for a lot of pictures. Okay, go on Pinterest, go on Google and all that, and look for a lot of images. From there you'll get some references, and slowly you understand that how you can improve on the combination of pattern. Okay, so do that.
सर वन मोर थिंग, अभी रहमान सर जो बोल रहे थे कि उन्होंने ऑर्डर किया था अमेज़न से जो स्टिकर्स देते हैं हम लोग जो स्टिक करते हैं. सर मेरा जो प्रेफरेंस है कि मैं सबसे पहले ऐसे ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग पे मैं प्रेफर नहीं करता कि सपोज मेरे क्लाइंट को कुछ देना है, मेरे को क्लाइंट के लिए कुछ करना है, तो मैं प्रेफर करता हूँ कि मैं खुद जाके उसको बाय करूँ या किधर से किसी वेंडर से मैं मंगाऊँ, क्योंकि मेरे को श्योरिटी मिलता है कि वो प्रोडक्ट वही मिलता है. लास्ट टाइम मैंने वही किया था कि एक कस्टमर ने मुझे अमेज़न पे एक प्रोडक्ट दिखाया था, उनको वॉल स्टिकर चाहिए था अमेज़न से, तो मैंने सेम वॉल स्टिकर अमेज़न से मंगाया और उसका कंडीशन मतलब उसका जो पिक्चर क्वालिटी जो मेरे को फोन पे दिख रहा था, वही जब भी मेरे को रियल में मेरे को प्रोडक्ट रिसीव हुआ तो उसमें क्वालिटी नहीं मिला. तो मेरे को डबल का खर्चा लग गया कि उसको फिर से रिव्यू करने के लिए. तो मैं प्रीफर कर रहा हूँ, उस टाइम से मैं प्रीफर कर रहा हूँ कि जाके मैं खुद मेरे वेंडर से बाय करूँ जो क्वालिटी में है, वो क्वालिटी में, एक्चुअल क्वालिटी में.
See, एक चीज यहाँ पे इट्स अ गुड इंटेंशन. ठीक है, आपका इंटेंशन अच्छा है कि कस्टमर को अच्छी चीजें देना है, और ऑनलाइन में कुछ मंगाएंगे अच्छा आएगा नहीं आएगा वो वाला है. बट हियर मैं एक चीज बोलना चाहूंगा कि आपके टाइम पे थोड़ा ध्यान दो. टाइम पे मतलब अगर एक छोटी सी चीज है जिसको भूषण खुद खरीदने जा रहा है तो भूषण का टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है.
ओके सर.
तो अंडरस्टैंड कि एक क्लाइंट को वैल्यू देना है बट टाइम नहीं देना है. सो देयर इज अ डिफरेंस, वैल्यू और टाइम में डिफरेंस है. सो यू अंडरस्टैंड कि कौन सी चीज है जिसके लिए बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेस नहीं करना पड़े और बहुत ज्यादा फिगर आउट नहीं करना पड़े. एंड ऑफ द डे कोई भी अपने को 15 अगस्त को मेडल नहीं देगा.
Yes, right.
So, see, you need to understand and look interior design as a business. अगर आप कुछ काम कर रहे हो तो वैल्यू दो. I always say breathe out value, breathe in money. Breathe out value, breathe in money. तो वो करो. You don't have to stress too much कि कोई Amazon पे मिल रहा है वो नहीं लेके वहां से, और या फिर एक काम करो, कस्टमर को बोलो सर ये अच्छा है Amazon से मंगा लो.
Okay.
You are not going to charge double triple on that, right?
बट सर मैं कुछ समटाइम मैं ऐसा सोचता हूँ कि मेरा थिंकिंग ऐसा है कि कोई चीज को ना मत बोलो कस्टमर के लिए. हाँ, सब चीज के लिए हम
नहीं Bhushan, that is the biggest mistake that you are doing. I am telling you from my experience. If you don't say no, कल को कस्टमर बोलेगा सर आप आते वक्त ना 2 किलो आलू और 3 किलो प्याज भी लेते आना.
Okay.
You understand me? So don't go by that mindset कि कस्टमर को कभी ना नहीं बोलना है. कस्टमर को ड्राइव करना है. नहीं तो आप उसको खुला सांड के जैसा छोड़ दोगे ना तो आपके खेत में घुस जाएगा, पूरी फसल बर्बाद कर देगा. तो ये मत सोचो कि कस्टमर को ना नहीं बोलना है. कस्टमर को हाँ भी नहीं बोलना है, ना भी नहीं बोलना है. कस्टमर को ड्राइव करना है.
Okay.
और ड्राइव ऐसे करना है कि एक अच्छा चीज बने आगे जाकर. इंटेंशन तो अपना बुरा नहीं है, तो इसलिए वो हिसाब से काम करो. एंड डोंट गेट इट स्मॉल थिंग्स में इतना मत घुसो. लुक एट द बिगर पिक्चर. स्लोली जैसे हम आगे बढ़ेंगे ना, you'll understand sales and marketing and all that. You'll understand कि आप जितना टाइम एक कस्टमर के पीछे लगाने से अच्छा है आप 3 कस्टमर को कैसे मैनेज कर सकते हो अपार्ट फ्रॉम द डिजाइनिंग. सो ओवरऑल चीजें सोचो, ठीक है. और डिलीवरी इज गुड, इट्स गुड टू डिलीवर, बट उसमें प्रोसेस सेट करो. वो हो जाएगा सबको, धीरे धीरे होगा. आई मीन एक ही दिन में और एक ही रात में नहीं होगा. यू विल अंडरस्टैंड समथिंग. Some of the things when you want to get onto one-to-one or something, any one of you are like kind of interested, I can get onto one-to-one, and I'll tell you कैसे करते हो उसको.
Okay, sir.
It's fantastic. Okay, guys, any more questions? Neerav, some last one more image.
Tushar,
Yes.
Tushar, I have sent you 3 more images.
Yes. You sent your
Okay.
house image.
Yes.
Yeah. So first was without paint and then it got painted.
Yes.
Okay.
This is, the dimensional color which I have used.
Yes. Cool. Okay, Neerav, you have sent one wardrobe photograph.
Yeah, it's for my home.
Okay.
And it's design of last 10 years.
Yeah. Okay.
So at that time I for 10 years सर मैंने खुद का मीन्स आइडिया सब लगा के कारपेंटर से सब काम करा के लिया था. कोई तभी डिजाइनर का, कोई इंटीरियर डिजाइनर का तभी नहीं था.
Absolutely.
तो ये सब डिजाइन करके 10 इयर्स बैक का है, मगर फिर भी ट्राई किया था तभी से, मतलब तभी से थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट था ऐसे ये फील्ड में. मगर सम फैमिली इशू की वजह से मुझे जॉब करना पड़ा और अभी ये इंटरेस्ट को लाइन देके
You know what, Neerav? 10 साल पुराना if you even see Mercedes ना, जो आज के लेटेस्ट Mercedes से वो मॉडल आपको लगेगा अच्छा ये 10 साल पहले का मॉडल. You don't think ये 10 साल पहले का. But here also you have followed some sort of a pattern.
Correct.
उसको बैलेंस किया है. जो कलर इधर उधर 3 लाइट कलर इधर डार्क कलर है. So you have that sense of balancing it, right?
Correct.
Now, design refining is a different thing. First is you have that understanding. जैसे जैसे आगे काम करेंगे, look for lot of reference images and inspiration. वो refine होते जाएगा.
Yes.
वो आगे refine होते जाएगा. But otherwise, this is good to me.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, should we end today's session? We are
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So watch tomorrow's video, and we'll catch up in the evening at 7. So
Okay, but Mr. Sanjay was about to tell something. I don't know.
Sorry?
Mr. Sanjay was about to tell something.
Yeah. Sanjay, say something.
Sir, actually, I have a doubt because I deal in bison panels also for the kitchen cabinets and all that. Because I'm associated with the Nagarjuna Siemens guys, so I'll be preferring usually Altec colors.
Okay.
And then Altec Nagarjuna people, they don't advertise much from the construction and all that. And then if I go to clients, most of them would be preferring Berger paints or Asian paints, whereas it's almost the same. Lead, non-leaded, everything is the same. And then these people have also come up with new colors, which are pearl colors. They're really beautiful. Even if you take the pearl white, it's really beautiful, but it's lack of information regarding the same. So if at all I have to paint those things, how do I get in? Because paint also is a major part when it comes to interiors.
So the customer wants to go with the branded stuff and not the Alltech, right?
Yeah, because Alltech is Nagarjuna is a huge brand, right? When it comes to Asian Paints, they may be only in paints, but
Yes.
Nagarjuna has got wall lapam putty, wall putties, whatnot, bison panels. They have the doors, every whatnot. They have everything.
Okay. Okay.
How do I actually, because the colors, the variation, the vibration, everything is the same.
Okay. So you can first. My question is, if everything is same, why you want to use Alltech? Because you have the Alltech with you.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Right. Okay. So here you'll have to play a little fear game with the customer.
Okay.
Okay. So you'll have to tell them that look, if you use this or you use this, the Alltech is already with me.
Yeah.
Asian Paint is what I have to buy from outside.
Right.
Alltech, I am able to take 100% guarantee and warranty, but Asian Paint I am not able to take.
Right.
It is completely on your risk.
Right.
Even if I have to do a patchwork somewhere, if it is the color variations and all that, I will not be able to take responsibility, sir. I'm telling you in advance. But Alltech, yes, that will anyways not happen, but it happens, I'm there.
Right.
Why I am saying that? When I have taken the Alltech as a franchisee, I would have not taken the Asian Paint, which is already doing so much of marketing.
Right. Right.
As an expert, I know something which is very specific, and that is what Asian doesn't have and the Alltech has.
Right. Right.
And then you talk about some scientific technology, talk about the polymer or bonding or something like that,
right.
And then sell that. When you kind of put that fear in front and then educate,
right,
then customer will say, okay, theek hai Sanjay, if you are saying so, if you are there, it's okay. Go ahead and put that. Okay. And tell him, sir, tomorrow I'm just going to do one thing. 1 square feet of paint I'm going to put Alltech. 1 square feet of paint I'm going to put of Asian. You will have to come, smell, touch, and see. 3 sensories. Right. Smell, touch, and see, and tell me which one is Alltech and which one is Asian Paint. If you get me right, I'll do whatever you want. But if you are wrong, then we'll do Alltech.
Right.
So anyways, physically you're not going to make any sense. Then what is it just making you to just go for Asian Paint? Right. Try that out. I'm not saying that it will 100% work, but if it doesn't work, then we have to try something else. We have to try something. So this is like, a kind of negotiation tools. Correct. So one is fear. Definitely one is fear. Second is technology. Third is show them that, this is 2 things. You tell me which one is good. Now they'll also have a fear. Ye bolenge, ye acha hai aur wo Alltech nikla to ye bolenge, because they anyways don't know. Whatever they like, you say this is Alltech. Right. Sometimes you put both as Alltech. You put both Alltech and say one is Asian and one is Alltech. Tell me which one is Asian. Right. See, this is not cheating, but this is how you need to sell. Yeah. This is how you need to sell. Sometimes people don't understand. They are necessary. People, to us also, a lot of people say, no, we want to use green ply, we want to use century ply, we want to use this ply, that ply. And then the pricing, they want to give something which is this. So we have to explain them that what is the resin that green ply uses and what is this resin that this ply. Right. And just be like very, you were talking to them very honestly and saying that, sir, this is what it is. End of the day, aap bolo meko to karna hai kaam. Right, right. But I am educating as not a regular painter. I am an expert. So promote yourself as an expert. Right. Say, I am not a painter. I am here. I am a solution provider. Right. I am a solution provider. That is why I am giving you something which is better. Right. Yeah. So do that. Do that. Okay, guys. So we'll wind up. Yep. Thank you so much for joining, and we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Swami. Thank you. Thank you, Bhushan. Bye. Thank you, Kavita. Bye, Sanjay.